Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, March 14th. I'm James Spann. Another cool, dry day today, another freeze tonight, but then we warm up beginning tomorrow afternoon. And the question is, when will it rain this weekend? Now, let's go in there and take a look at things early this morning. This is the upper air look. Same setup. We have a big trough over the eastern states, keeping the eastern third of the country well below average in terms of temperature. Those were observations at 5 o'clock, and the wind is still up this morning. So numbers are pretty consistent, mostly low 30s, and they'll come down a few degrees by the time we get to 7 o'clock. Haleyville 30, we have 32 for Cullman, Gadsden, Fort Payne. But I think tomorrow morning the wind will be pretty calm, and I think it's going to wind up tomorrow morning will be the coldest morning of this cold snap. Around the nation, very chilly for mid-March over the northern and eastern states and down here into the deep south. There's the watch warning map. Up in the northeast, the big blizzard winding down. Down through here, got a freeze warning in effect for much of Alabama, almost all the way down to the Gulf Coast tonight, as the wind should be fairly calm statewide, and frost advisories down into the Florida Panhandle. Let's check the severe weather outlook. This is day 3, which is Friday. We have the standard slight risk of severe storms. A little west of here, parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, into the Mississippi Delta region. In Alabama, a marginal risk clips the northwestern corner of the state. And keep in mind, this outlook is valid through 7 a.m. Saturday. And we don't expect any severe weather beyond that through the weekend here, but we'll keep an eye on those storms Friday west of the state. And we'll talk about the weekend setup as we go. This is the expected rain for the next 7 days. And again, California getting a lot of rain. Good rains for the high plains. And down here in the deep south, for much of Alabama, rain amounts will likely exceed 1 inch. And this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. So let's take it day by day. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06E run at noon today. We have troughing on both coasts, ridging in between. And down below that, a cool, dry day, sunny. A north breeze again today, probably 7 to 14. The high will be in the mid-50s. That's 10 below average. Tomorrow, we start the day at or below freezing. But we start to warm up by afternoon. The high tomorrow should be in the upper 60s with a sunny sky. That'll feel much better. Okay, Friday, this is the system forming to the west. A surface low is in southern Nebraska. And again, in the warm sector, we could see some strong storms over Arkansas, Louisiana, western Mississippi. Then by Friday night at midnight or just after midnight, that surface low weakens as it passes north of Kansas City, and a weakening band of showers and storms will likely creep in here. And again, it looks like in terms of the timing of the rain, it's probably going to be well after 6 or 7 o'clock Friday night. And this is Saturday at midday. And again, a surface boundary is going to stall out somewhere across the state. And the models are struggling in terms of where does that thing stop. This is suggesting the front could stall out over North Alabama. And if that's the case, we'll have a chance of scattered showers Saturday, maybe some thunder. But again, even if this is the case, it's not going to rain all day. If the front stalls out over South Alabama, a decent part of the afternoon will be totally dry for the northern half of the state. So we'll mention a mostly cloudy day on Saturday, mild with mid-70s, and a chance of scattered showers and storms, but probably nothing too organized. So got something planned outdoors, that's the deal. And then Sunday, that front is, again, stalled out somewhere near maybe Birmingham. And this is suggesting the northern half of the state would be dry on Sunday with a chance of scattered showers and storms for the south. And again, mild with highs in the 70s. Now, this is the European. It's got the front stalled out really near Montgomery, near US 80, with a fairly dry day for the northern half of the state. So Again, a little inconsistency in model output here, but the bottom line is for the weekend it will be mild, more clouds than sun. There'll be a risk of some showers around, maybe some thunder, but probably nothing too organized. Now, this is Sunday night at midnight. Here comes our next system forming across the Great Plains, showing a surface low that's just west of Kansas City. And if this were to verify, there could be some maybe active storms moving in here Sunday night. And then Monday morning at 6 o'clock, the surface low is right at Kansas City. And we'll have rain and storms. And then by Monday afternoon, we get into a dry slot. So we'll keep an eye on that. You know, this is the tornado season, and that one seems to be a little stronger than the one that develops Friday. Then Tuesday, that surface low is over Ohio with a cooler air mass dropping in here. And a week from today, Wednesday the 21st, again, troughing sets up over the East Coast. That's pretty cool air mass. We can see highs dropping back in the 50s Wednesday of next week. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday, March 23rd. Pretty good little shortwave north and west of here. And if this were to verify, that might be a stormy look with a deep surface low west of Memphis. But obviously, this is out there in the land of voodoo, and this will probably change. Nice to see those highs up in the low 70s this weekend coming off the European. There's the cool pop Wednesday of next week. We go back in the 50s. And then beyond that, highs in the 60s, which is seasonal for late March in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.